Hello everyone! Today we're looking at the HARDELL Cordless Rotary Tool, a compact and versatile gadget perfect for DIYers, hobbyists, and crafters. Let's break down its features, performance, and overall value. The HARDELL Cordless Rotary Tool is powered by a 3.7V rechargeable lithium-ion battery, making it lightweight and portable. It offers 5 adjustable speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 1,500 0 RPM, giving you control over precision tasks like engraving, sanding, and polishing. This set includes 55 accessories from sanding bands to grinding bits, all stored neatly in a convenient carrying case. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, and the cordless setup makes it easy to maneuver around detailed projects. The tool performs exceptionally well for light-duty tasks such as engraving delicate materials, polishing jewelry, or sanding small wood projects. Its adjustable speeds allow for precision work, although it's not designed for heavy-duty applications like grinding thick metals or cutting hard surfaces. Each product has their pros and cons. Let's start with the pros. Cordedly convenience, portable and perfect for on-the-go projects. Lightweight design, easy to handle, even for longer sessions. Versatile kit comes with a wide variety of attachments for multiple applications. Now it's time for the cons. Limited power, not suitable for heavy-duty jobs or tougher materials. Battery life may require frequent charging during extended use. Let's look at what the customers have said about the product. After considering its features, pros, and cons, we rate the HARDELL Cordless Rotary Tool 4 out of 5 stars. This tool is ideal for hobbyists who need portability and precision for light crafting or repair tasks. This tool is a great option for small projects, offering flexibility and ease of use for beginners and experienced DIYers alike. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more product insights. Happy crafting!